Okay, so I got the wideband just tied around here. The wiring is going through the big grommet under the resistor box. It goes into the cabin here, in through the firewall, way up in the back. Can't really see it, but then I got it wired right into the old fuse box. So this fuse box has 5 accessory taps. The one in the middle is ignition only, so use the one in the middle. There's a fuse below it to the left. There's a 7.5 amp, and that's the fuse for it. You can also see the white wire coming off the wideband. I got finished with a butt connector, and this is the 5-volt signal, which is going to be connected to the AEM box. And right now we got a stock Honda ECU, and these guys typically run pretty fat. I've done this a few times on stock just to see how they run. This is the older version. This is the original AEM gauge, and I haven't run this one in a long time. Honestly, this AEM gauge is probably, it's when they first came out. It's probably 15 years old, I'm thinking. The sensor, I've replaced sensors multiple times, and I actually do have spare sensors. The sensor is not compatible with the newer version AEM wideband gauge. So if I do, I guess if and when I do run out of sensors, I'm going to have to upgrade to a different wideband O2, probably a newer AEM. I ran a Ballinger with a good wideband sensor in the Trailblazer, and the mounting of that one is a little more difficult. This is way easier, looks a lot better than the square box of the Ballinger, even though that did work great. I think I'm going to stick with AEM on this car. I kind of want to just go to the new version because I don't know what the compatibility, if there's going to be any compatibility issues with this older gauge and the newer Series 2 box, and that's not even the new one. But I know they weren't made at the same time. It's a different era, a different generation of electronics, but it should work okay. So now that this is running, it's time to put the Series 2 box in and see if I can run this little Moped 5 on some 850cc injectors. But yeah, this seems to be functioning just fine. I know these do run fat. There's a little bit of gas. A little bit fat and then accelerate. But it looks like it's working A-okay. Alright, so that's a quick little update on the Civic, and I hope to be, I may as well just get this done so I can, clear up some shop space and have more room to work on my truck. That's what I really want to be working on, my truck. And then just watching so much YouTube and TV lately, I kind of think I really want to work on my Acadian. It's kind of a nova looking thing. But I really should be working on that and trying to run single digits. But I got all these parts sitting here. I may as well use them. It's just a shame that this backstory is my old red hatchback. My CX was written off. Somebody crashed into it, and then I pulled all the parts out and I've just been sitting on them. I said I'd never buy another Civic, and then what do you know? I ended up buying this one as a commuter, and then I recently bought that other US EX. One I just put the disc brakes on, but Civics, Hondas, Acuras, all the B series, it's so easy to work on. It's still fun. So, anyways, stay tuned for some updates, because everything should be coming together pretty quick now that it's June and it's light out, pretty darn late. I think it's like 6 o'clock, and look how pretty it is outside. So there's plenty of time to be playing with cars and possibly tuning into the bigger. Alright, so that's it for now. June 2nd, I believe.